Get your hands up. Everybody get your hands up.
Party, bitches, sexy ladies, flipping switches.
Much as you blame yourself, you can't be blamed for the way that you feel. Had no example of a love that was even